Are you excited to buy your first home but worried about home approval? Today, let's talk about the tips for first-time home buyers. Maraming first-time home buyers ang nahihirapan dahil sa mataas na interest rates, mahigpit na requirements, o kaya'y reject ang home loan application. Dahil sa mababang credit score o kakulangan sa paghahanda. Huwag mag-alala, narito ang sure na tips to increase your chances of home approval. Number 1, improve your credit score, pay bills on time, and reduce debt. A score of 620 or higher gives you a better option. Ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng 620 on credit score? Ang credit score ay karaniwang nasasaklaw ng 300 hanggang 850. Mas mataas ang credit score, mas maganda ang chance of approval. Ang 620 ay tinuturing na patas of fair sa karamihan ng credit scoring. Save for a larger down payment. A down payment of 20% of more can help you avoid private mortgage, insurance, and it will show the lender that you are financially stable. Mas malaking down payment, mas maganda ang payment option mo. Number 3, get pre-approved. It will show seller that you are serious to buy at malalaman mo agad kung magkano ang iyong budget o ang kaya mong bilhin. Ang pagbili ng unang property o ng pangarap mong bahay ay dapat exciting at hindi stressful. So plan ahead, take the first step on home ownership. Again, this is Jen Palermo. Sasamahan kang ma-achieve ang property goals mo. Kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please subscribe now, like and share, and follow for more. Bye!